A leap into the future, understanding the day after tomorrow in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new English language learning video. Today, we will be exploring a commonly used phrase in English, the day after tomorrow. This phrase may seem a bit complicated if you're new to English, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly and will be ready to use it in your conversations. So, let's jump right into it. What does the day after tomorrow mean? It's quite simple, actually. If today is Monday, then tomorrow is Tuesday, and the day after tomorrow is Wednesday. In other words, the day after tomorrow refers to the day that comes 2 days after the current day. Now, let's see how we can use this phrase in everyday English. We can use the day after tomorrow in sentences to refer to future plans, appointments, or events that are 2 days away. Here are a few examples. 1. I am traveling to Paris the day after tomorrow. 2. We will finish the project the day after tomorrow. 3. The day after tomorrow, I'll visit my grandmother. Remember, the phrase can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of the sentence, and it still keeps its meaning. When learning about the day after tomorrow, there are some common questions that might arise. Let's clarify them. 1. Can we use the day after tomorrow to talk about the past? No, the day after tomorrow is used to refer to a future point in time. For the past, you might use the day after in specific contexts, such as the day after the event. 2. Is there a single word alternative to the day after tomorrow? No, there isn't a single word that captures the exact meaning of this phrase in English. 3. Can the day after tomorrow be used informally? Yes, the day after tomorrow is appropriate for both formal and informal conversations. We hope that this video has helped you understand the phrase, the day after tomorrow, and how to use it in English. Remember, the key to mastering a language is practice, so try to use the day after tomorrow in your conversations when you're referring to something happening 2 days from now. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.